Hello everyone. Today I am going to analyze 2018-2019 NEET question papers which is useful for your coming NEET examination. And after analyzing of these two question paper, it will come to know you what are the more weightage chapters in the physics and how you have to prepare for the coming NEET examination. And I will also analyze and I will explain about that one, how you can achieve 120 plus score in the coming NEET examination. Okay, let us see this analyzing 2018-2019 question paper. Chapter wise weightage I have written on the board and I will explain about this one first. See, physical, oral and measurements. From this one, 2018 we have one question, 2019 we have one question. Next one, kinematics. In 18 we have two questions, 19 we have it is the four questions. Next one, laws of motion, we have it is 2018 one question, 2019 we have one question. Next one, work energy power. Work power energy from 18 we have two questions and 2019 we have three questions. If you observe here, minimum two questions, maximum three questions from work power energy. Next one, system of particles and rotational motion. 2018 we have four questions, 2019 we have two questions. So minimum two questions, maximum four questions from system of particles and rotational motion. Next, gravitation. If you observe gravitation, 18 it is two questions, 19 it is the two questions. So standardly they are maintaining is the from gravitation every time it is the two questions. Next, properties of bulk matter. Properties of bulk matter we can divide into the two chapters. One it is mechanical properties of solids and one more it is mechanical properties of fluids. So from solids and fluids you can observe 2018 two questions, 2019 we have it is three questions. So from bulk properties of matter, minimum two questions, maximum three questions. Next, heat. Heat if you divide into the three chapters, one it is thermal properties of matter, second one it is thermodynamics, last one it is kinetic theory of gases. From these three chapters means from the complete heat, I can explain here 2018 minimum 5 questions, 2019 we have 4 questions. So complete heat chapters carries it is minimum 4 questions, maximum 5 questions. Next, oscillations and waves. In the oscillations and waves, from 18 we have 3 questions, from 19 we have 3 questions. So in this one also, for oscillations and waves, they are maintaining every time it is 3 questions. Next, electronics. In the electronics, one chapter it is electrostatic, one more it is current electricity. In electrostatics, we can divide into the two categories. One it is electric potential and capacitance and one more it is electric field and charges. From these two chapters, we can have these two questions from 2018 and 2019 we have it is the 5 questions. So from only electrostatics if you observe, minimum 2 questions, maximum 5 questions. Next one it is current electricity. If you observe current electricity from 18 we have 3 questions, from 19 we have it is 2 questions. So current electricity carries minimum 2 questions to maximum 3 questions. Okay, coming to here, again chapter wise, magnetic effects and current and magnetism. So moving charges and magnetism matter. If you take it like this, from moving charges and magnetism, we have it is minimum 2 questions from 2018, 2019 also 2 questions. From only magnetism and matter, we have 2018 one question, 2019 one question. So complete moving charges and magnetism matter, it can carry 3 questions every time. It is also standardly they are maintaining 3 questions. Next, EMI and AC. So EMI and AC we can consider as a one chapter. From these two topics they are giving 18 2 questions, 19 also 2 questions. In here also they are maintaining standardly 2 questions. Modern physics. If you observe modern physics, we have it is the 3 topics. And 3 topics we can divide into the 2 chapters. One it is dual nature of matter and radiation and atoms and nuclei as a one chapter. Dual nature of matter and radiation we have one question from 18 and no questions from the 2019. But atoms and nuclei chapters, we have 3 questions from 2018, 3 questions from 2019. It is also standardly they are maintaining atoms and nuclei. It is every time they are giving 3 questions. Next, optics. In the optics, if you observe ray optics and wave optics, it can be divided into the 2 chapters. So complete optics, they are giving 2018, we have 5 questions. From 2019, we have 4 questions. So from optics, minimum 4 questions, maximum 5 questions we have. Next one, electronic devices. Electronic devices, if you observe, minimum 3, from 2018 3 questions, 2019 we have 2 questions. So minimum 2 questions, maximum 3 questions. Last one it is EM waves. EM waves, every time they are maintaining 1 question. See here, 2018 1 question, 2019 also 1 question. Okay, after completion of this total theory, I want to analyze which chapter it is more weightage and which chapter you have to prepare, how many questions you have to practice from the chapters. And if you practice like that, you can get 120 plus score in the coming NEET examination. But according to myself, according to my suggestion, if you practice these chapters, for example, I taken it is plus 2. I selected is the plus 2 chapters. First one, modern physics. First, why I am taking modern physics means modern physics is very easy for each and everyone because chemistry is involved in this chapter. So that's why chemistry they feel it is somewhat students feel it is somewhat better. So that's why modern physics is easy for everyone. And from modern physics, every time they are giving minimum 3 questions, maximum 4 questions. Modern physics means dual nature of matter, atoms and nuclei. If you prepare these 3 chapters, minimum 3, maximum 4 questions come in your NEET examination. Next one, ACEMI. ACEMI also very less formula and less formulas and easily you can able to solve the problems, numericals. And if theory question also very easy. So that's why I selected this chapter. In this one, standardly they are maintaining every time 2 questions from AC and EMI. Next, EM waves. EM waves also it is less formulas. Only few formulas only there. And it is also easily able to do the problem from this chapter. So that's why, and they are maintaining standard 1 question from every term from 2018 2009. So it is standard 1 question from this one. Electronic devices. Electronic devices means it is also logic gates. Every time they are giving 1 question based on the logic gates. It is easy for each and every student, and also you should prepare these logic gates which is depends upon the transistor base. So every time they are asking, maximum time they ask it is transistor based logic gates. So you should prepare that one first. And electronic devices minimum 2 questions, maximum 3 questions. Electronics. Electronics means completely I have taken it is electric potential and capacitance, electric field and charges, current electricity. Total if you prepare 3 chapters, minimum 5 questions, maximum 7 questions you can attempt in the NEET examination. For example, 5 out of 7 questions, if you are unable to attempt the 2 questions, but you can attempt 100% 5 questions. You have to prepare like that. Next one it is magnetic effects and magnetism. This one it is somewhat difficult to each and every student, but you should practice more problems from this chapter. At that time only you can 100% attempt the 3 questions from this chapter. Okay. Next one, if you observe these from these 6 chapters, minimum 16 questions, maximum 20 questions. So from your NEET in the NEET examination, minimum 16, maximum 20. Then I will analyze the latter. Plus 1. From plus 1, first I selected kinematics. Kinematics is somewhat better, feel it is easy for the students. So that's why I given it is the kinematics. In this kinematics, minimum 2 questions, maximum 5 questions. And also kinematics means you have to prepare 2 chapters, motion in 1 dimension, motion in 2 dimension. And if you prepare well, you can 100% attempt the 5 questions are in the NEET examination. work, energy, power. Every time they are giving minimum 2 questions, maximum 3 questions in the work, power, energy. This work, power, energy carries more formulas. So more formulas means you should not afraid about this one. You should practice more problems and learn more concepts, and practice you can achieve, and you can attempt the number of questions from this chapter also. Gravitation. Gravitation is compared to kinematics, work, power, energy. Gravitation is easy for everyone. We have less formulas in the gravitation. Every time they are giving 2 questions. So 100% if you keep less efforts, at that time you can 100% attempt the 2 questions from the gravitation. Next one, solids and fluids. Solids is very easy compared with the fluids. So solids is very easy, means you should practice somewhat, you can 100% attempt the question from the solids. Next one, fluids, somewhat difficult, but you should prepare perfectly. 100% solids and fluids you can attempt the 2 questions. Heat. Heat means thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases. In this one, thermodynamics is somewhat different compared with thermal properties of matter and kinetic theory of gases. But if you practice these 3 complete heat chapter, you can get minimum 4 questions, maximum 5 questions in the NEET examination. Units and measurements. No need to explain about this one. All units and measurements, it is depends upon the screw gauge and vernier calipers. If you observe relative errors, so you should practice this one. It is easy to everyone, I know it. So if you practice units and measurements, 100% you can attempt the 1 question in the NEET examination. Oscillations and waves. Oscillations and waves, every time they are giving 3 questions. So if you practice this one also, you can get 3 questions in the NEET examination. If you observe plus 1, minimum 16 questions, maximum 19 questions. If you observe plus 2, minimum 16 questions, maximum 20 questions. So total second year 6 chapters, plus 1 it is 7 chapters. If you observe total 13 chapters, total it is minimum 32 questions to 41 questions will comes in your NEET examination. If you attempt perfectly, if you attempt minimum questions only, you can 100% get 120 plus score in the NEET examination. But how you can prepare this all the 13 chapters means you should not leave even 1 question also while you are practicing. Means you can take 1 subject, 1 chapter, sorry, it is 1 chapter if you take for 5 days. You have to practice minimum 300 questions to maximum 500 questions. If you practice like this, you can more grip about this concept. At that time, in which direction they ask in the NEET examination, 100% you can attempt that question. So that's why you have to select each and every chapter for 5 days at that time, and also you have to practice minimum 300 questions to maximum 500 questions if you practice like that. And this practice also repeatedly you have to do it, because we have 4 months time. You have only it is 13 chapters. So 13 chapters if you practice like that 100%, and you can get it is 120 plus score in your NEET examination. So all the best student. This is my analysis about this 2018-2019 for coming examination. If you like this video, subscribe and share to your friends also. Thank you, and all the best for NEET student.